It's new toy day. We're going to go buy some new toys. Well, I'm going to. You're going to stay here. I know. You're not allowed to come. I don't want you to get sick from any of the other birds. Oh, you're scared? Okay. So I've just pulled up at the pet barn. They don't have the greatest selection of bird toys, but we're going to have a look anyway, and then we'll go up to the pet deli to see what they have, because they've got a lot. Okay, there's not actually so many birds here. Oh, what have we got? Oh, aren't you? Oh, guys. Not a lot. Not a lot. What happened? Okay. Perches. I mean, those dowels aren't very good. I always wanted to get these steel bowls. Millet. Never actually tried that before, but maybe one day. Alright. Natural wooden toys. They're pretty good, probably for bigger birds. I do like the bamboo balls. Oh, that's cute. Origin tunnel. Ah, yes. These I've always wanted to try as well. Yeah. Oh, the mineral things. Can't really touch them, but. Yeah, that looks like fun. I like that. I'd love to try a toy like this, but a lot of those things could be dangerous, unfortunately. I bet she'd love it though. Yeah, I do like these little ones. She does like hard plastics, so they could be good. Pet Deli has moved and changed their names to Pet and Aquarium Warehouse, so we'll go have a look at that now. So they've got the huts. Just don't get them. Just don't get them. I mean, they look so cozy, but not a good idea. Oh, that is terrible. But each to their own, I guess. These are all great. So many of these foraging toys. Oh, a big bag of crinkle paper. Yes. I was really hoping mine would like the crinkle paper, but I'm not a big fan unless she's trying to get something out of it. She doesn't really destroy much. Oh, now that is a safe bell. That is how you do your bell safely. That is adorable. I don't like anything with strings, but oh, that could be a fun foraging toy. Let's have a look around. Oh wow. Wow. Oh, I like those. Wow. There is a lot of options here. So many more than the pet store. That's cool foraging. Huge ladders. So we just went to the pet store and we bought a few toys. No. So this is acrylic pieces. I know she likes hard things, so probably not focusing, but yeah, I think she might enjoy that. We'll see how it goes. It's colourful. I don't really like bells, so I might remove the bell and these rings and just put some leather or paper twine or something like that instead. It's a bit safer, a bit more natural. But yeah, I reckon she would like that. Do you want to come have a look? Do you want to have a look? Oh my goodness. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Okay. The next thing I got was a mineral perch in the shape of corn. Oh, I think we might like that, yeah? So she can chew on this and it'll be good for her some way. If I can get the plastic off, we'll take a look, huh? Do I need to rip this open? Okay. Okay. Are you able to see everybody? Yeah. Oh, wow. That's interesting. It's not real corn. Oh, it's not real corn. So you have to chew on it. Hum. Yeah. Yeah. You're a little bit scared? That's okay. So we can attach that on her cage somewhere. Like that. And we got this, what is it called? Like ripper paper. Oh, weave papers. Okay. Got a lot of this. And we can weave it through a cage, make toys out of it, you know, make a bunch of things. She'll be able to rip it up, play with it, do what she wants. So there is a lot of that. So that's 3 toys that we've bought today. And we'll put them in the cage and see how she goes. Not interested? Come on. We'll see. So I just wrapped some of this around my wrist. That's what I usually do with new toys, and she's going crazy for it. I mean, I've been wearing it all day, but here she goes. I'm actually kind of scared of moving my hand because I'm afraid she'll bite me. She kind of seemed a little aggressive about it before. Oh, you're doing such a good job. I wish I could get a good angle here. Let me try this. Wow, you're really going for it. I should really take my hand out of there. She accidentally grabs my hand by mistake. That's gonna hurt. Ooh. Good job. Good job.